Hey, good morning, everybody. Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? It is Thursday, December 19th, 2024. Coming to you from the sauna in the bunker, 127 degrees. This is going to be one more video about the nameless DePin project that I've been looking at. And here's one reason that I really like it. And I'm going to name a few. And then the next video, I'm actually going to tell you about it. Or tell you the name. So, the way I think, I'm a simple guy. I've said this for 7-8 years, or 5 or 6 or whatever on the YouTube channel. If I could go to your website and in 30 seconds find out what you do, I want to invest in you. If I see a YouTube video and the founder is on, or the person that originated the idea into a project, if I could listen to you for a minute or two and find out what you're doing and connect some of the dots, I'm like, I want to invest in that. So this project is like all the other projects that I invest in. Let me back up. When I first invested in cryptocurrency, I'm like, there is no way I'm going to research everything about cryptocurrency and the blockchain and then make an educated decision how much I'm going to invest. So back in 2016, I threw some money at it, and as my learning curve grew, my investment, this is a good way to say it, my investment in crypto grew. Okay? This is the same thing on this project. I jumped in, I bought, I'll just say, one unit for under $200, and I've watched, gosh, when I like something, I kind of go crazy about it. I've probably watched 8-9 videos on YouTube, and I can't explain. I'm just going to pick a number of 5 hours of videos and boil it down for you. So you're going to have to decide if this is for you, if this is what you want. A lot of times when I do a video like this and then I present what the project is, I get a lot of emails going, well, what about this and what about that? I'm like, dude, you got to do your own due diligence. Like, I've spent every day learning, reading the past, 4 or 5 days. This is Thursday. Was it Sunday or Monday? I saw it. Anyhow, you get the point. So I don't mind helping you along the journey. And there will be a referral link, which I'm humbly asking you to use mine. And I don't even know what I get, but there's a referral link involved. So, but anyhow, I guess that's it. You don't have to like it because I'm liking it. This company, project company, has no natural competitors, and they're starting in this country. They're going to work out the bugs and then take it global. So again, I know that sounds kind of goofy, but if you follow me, you know my heart, you know I want the best for you, and frankly, I want the best for me and my family. So that's it. Crypto Mentor 99. I got a busy day today. I will try to make a video tonight. And I love y'all. Bye-bye.